Did you know that when your baby breastfeeds, their spit is actually a secret message to your body? So when your baby latches, a tiny amount of their saliva is actually sucked back into your nipple. Your body scans that spit for germs, and if it detects that your baby is fighting a virus or a cold, your milk will literally change the recipe of the milk within hours to include custom antibodies. So if you are a breastfeeding mom, you are like a walking pharmacy. I'm a registered nurse and a breastfeeding specialist, and I just like to share all the facts that I learn and really enjoy about breastfeeding.